Guys, we are down at the creek right now. Welcome back to another video. I haven't been fishing in a while, or not as much as I recently have anyways. We don't have Landon with us today. He is at his friend's house. But I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of fishing, just trying to catch some fish on video for y'all. I'll see y'all when I get to the creek. As y'all can see, we've made it to the creek. Seeing a little bit of fish down here, but we're gonna try to catch them. So let's get to fishing. I might try and fish a little bit, but I don't know if I'll be able to. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, I'm gonna go back in this creek now. Nothing seems to be biting, so I'll see y'all when we get to the creek. I think one has it right now. Yep, there's the first one. Alright, here's our first bass of the day. Little dink. He's not bad, he's pretty decent. Probably about, I don't know. So we got one so far, we're gonna see if we can catch some more. He bit it super weird. I think we already got another one. Yeah, he's small. Oh my gosh, he's small. Literally next cast, that was back to back. A couple casts, we just caught one. And now this is the cast directly after. And we already got one. Alright, I got him. Super small bass. Probably not even half a pound. Second fish of the day on the same little swim bait. I don't know how he ate this. He ate it right on top of the water. He's super small. So we're gonna let him go. Alright guys, we have made it to the spot. Tied on this Guggen bluegill colored swim bait. I'm gonna see if we can get any bites. And it has a exo spawn swim bait for the trailer. We're just gonna see if we can catch anything. See if anything big will bite. I don't know for sure. I really need to get on my kayak and look on my graph, but I'm pretty sure like straight out over there somewhere is like a big patch of grass. And I've felt it before with my jigs and stuff, but I don't know for certain. But yeah, we're just gonna fish this spinnerbait, see if anything will bite it. Can go give me feedback. But this lake is not that small. It's not huge, but it's a good size. It's pretty decent. So there's a lot of spots to fish in this lake. So when I do go out on my kayak, I'll have a lot of opportunity to catch other stuff. This is one little cove of the lake. There's like 4 other coves. That should be a good video. A man just fell out of his boat. He's over there. He just fell out of his boat. Oh my God. Oh my god, he fell out of his boat. Oh my gosh. That's kind of karma, if you ask me, because, him and his wife were like yelling at us and calling the cops for just fishing, like they literally weren't doing anything, and him and his wife called the cops on us. And now he just fell out of the boat and he went for a little swim. He's still in the water. Alright, I'm gonna toss something else on because the spinnerbait does not seem to be doing the trick. I'll see y'all when I get something else tied on.
Now, right as you start turning, since you downshifted, before you lose too much speed, if you can lean the bike and goose it around. Just because. Don't let it hook you. Don't double goose it like you did either.
Alright guys, so I think that's gonna be the end of today's video. We caught a couple dinks over by the creek, nothing crazy, but stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be going out on a kayak in this lake and pretty much just fishing the whole lake, seeing what we'll bite. Over in the main lake, just seeing what we can catch, honestly. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll try to get our comments working again. And yeah, I'll let y'all know when we get the comments fixed because they're not working right now. But like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss a video. And I'll see y'all in the next one.